Hi everyone, Happy New Year! If you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know this. I've been a Tella user for almost 2 years. Every tutorial, every course video, every digital tools demo, yep, all made with Tella. And as a startup marketer and a content creator, I've recommended this tool to startup founders, freelancers, content creators, remote teams, coaches, because it just makes recording and editing so much easier. And today we're doing something special. Tella ended last year with a massive update drop, the 12 Days of Tella, featuring 12 game-changing features for recording, editing, collaboration, and automation. In this video, I'll walk you through all 12 features, what they do, and why they matter, and how you can use them in your workflow. So let's get started. Okay, so feature number 1 is the new comments feature. So Tella completely redesigned their comments feature, and honestly, this is the biggest upgrade for anyone working with teams or clients. So now you get timestamped comments, threaded replies, admin controls for video owners, better email plus in-app notifications, just like this. Let's take a look. Okay, so when you leave a comment, for example, nice, and then you can put the timestamp there here, for example, and then you can click that. So it is now timestamped. You can also reply with an emoji, just like that, or like this. You can also edit that and save as the admin, and you can delete that comment. It finally feels like YouTube comments inside Tella. So that is the first feature. All right, so feature number 2 is the Squircles. What if circles and squares had a baby? Squircles were born. This brand new camera border option makes your face cam look more modern, more polished, and more aesthetic. So this is perfect for YouTube tutorials, product demos, and social media content. So you can try this in your next video and it instantly upgrades the vibe. So this is how it works. Just go to the border tab and then you can see the shape here. Here you can choose the Squircles and you can apply it to all clips. So yeah, this is how the Squircles look like. As you can see, it's not squarish or circlish, but squirclish. So that's what makes your camera shape looks like when you choose the Squircle shape. Try it in your next video. Now let's go with feature number 3. So feature number 3 is time-lapse exports. So after recording and editing your video, click download and then click time-lapse. You can choose the duration from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. And then you can also choose to remove the audio or not. So you can choose the size from HD to 4K and just download the video and you already have a time-lapse video. So this is very useful for tutorials, walkthroughs, time-lapse workflows, showing progression, skipping slow parts without editing manually. So no need to speed it up in CapCut or Premiere Pro. Tella does it for you. So try it. Now we're at feature number 4, which is the transcript dictionary plus find and replace. So just go to the subs tool and then click edit. And then here you can see the find and replace tool. And then here you can see the dictionary button. Tella now lets you create your own transcript dictionary. This teaches Tella's AI the correct spelling for your name, brand names, industry terms, words. No more correcting Tella with a single L into Tella every time. So you can find and replace here in the subtitles button. So finally, you can now mass edit subtitles in one click. So this is a massive time saver for long videos or educational content. Try updating your dictionary now. It's getting hot in here already. And we're now at feature number 5, which is the Loom migration tool. So this one made people go, what? You can now migrate individual Loom videos, entire Loom folders, or batch upload your own files, all in just 2 clicks. So if you've been wanting to switch from Loom to Tella, but were stuck because of your old content, problem solved. So this is how it works. First, go to your Loom account, copy the link, go to Tella, go to settings, and then go to migrate. Import from Loom, just paste a link from Loom, and then click import. So this will not take much longer. So you can also upload multiple videos. You can just put your Loom videos into one folder, make it public, and then drag here on Tella. So let's just wait for a while for it to upload. So this is very, very useful if you want to edit your Loom videos into a Tella branded video. So this is so perfect. There you go. Video imported successfully. So you can just add this to playlist or you can just import another. That's it. Try Tella now for free or use my link to get 30% off. Okay, so feature number 6 is the background music plus advanced volume controls. Tella now lets you add background music, and it's not just aesthetic. Background music actually keeps your audience focused, especially during quiet segments. So you can now use Tella's built-in soundtracks or upload your own here at the upload button. And then you can adjust volume here, the master volume and the mic volume and the system audio for this clip. So your videos will feel more polished and more professional. So that's it for feature number 6, music. Try it now. Okay, so feature number 7 is quick mode. So this one is fast for creators. So quick mode lets you record instantly, stop, and immediately get redirected to the video page with the link already copied to your clipboard. So this is perfect for async teams, client updates, and quick feedback videos or daily check-ins. Feature number 8 is Tella API for developers. So, yep, Tella now has an API. So you can now extend Tella into your own apps, your workflows, your automation tools. So this is huge for founders, dev teams, and of course, platforms. So make sure to check this out and use it. So you can try Tella for free for 7 days or get 30% off using my link. So try Tella now and get all these amazing features. We're now at feature number 9. So feature number 9 is about playlist improvements. So this is to quality of life updates. So you can now reorder playlists in the sidebar with drag and drop, just like that. And you can sort or arrange videos inside playlists. This is perfect if you're organizing course modules, client projects, onboarding videos, tutorial playlists. Okay, so you can just click the video, check the video, and then you can add it to your existing playlist or create a new playlist. So that's for feature number 9. Try it now. All right, so we're now at feature number 10, which is trash. So if you've accidentally deleted something important, you can restore videos anytime and you don't need to panic anymore. Okay, so for example, this is my trash. You can just restore or delete now. So this is so amazing. Okay, that's it for the trash. All right, so we're now at feature 11, which is the upgraded chapters. Chapters got a full overhaul. So you can now have AI-generated chapters. So they're now also available inside the editor. And you can now create clips from chapters. And generation is much faster now. So this makes your content more accessible, better for SEO, and more structured for viewers. Try Tella now for free or get 30% off when you use my link. Now we're at feature number 12, which is the blur and highlight tools. So this is one of my personal favorites. So you can now blur sensitive information. So this is perfect for client data, email inboxes, financial dashboards, and CRM tools. You can also highlight areas on your screen, which has direct attention exactly where you want it. So both are inside the new effects tool, which is clean, simple, and powerful. All right, so that's the full 12 new features of Tella. These features honestly make Tella one of the most complete screen recording tool in 2026, and I super highly recommend you to try it and see for yourself how you can make consistent videos this year, grow this year, and scale your business this year. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!